Hello and welcome, fellow learners, to our exploration of one of the fundamental principles governing life, homeostasis. In the summary of this chapter, we'll uncover the essence of homeostasis and its significance in maintaining equilibrium within living organisms, and explore a few real-world examples that illustrate this fascinating concept. Homeostasis refers to the body's extraordinary capacity to control its internal environment, maintaining equilibrium and steadiness in the face of constantly shifting external circumstances. Imagine it like a biological thermostat, always working to keep things just right so that cells and organs may perform as best they can. Following are the principles of homeostasis. 1. Stimulus. 2. Receptors. 3. Self-corrective mechanism. 4. Negative feedback. There are many examples of homeostatic mechanisms in our body, like regulation of blood glucose concentration, regulation of blood osmotic pressure, regulation of body temperature. Let us see two examples of this in detail. Thermoregulation. In the realm of thermoregulation, our bodies adeptly manage internal temperature. When it's cold, muscles contract involuntarily, shivering, generating heat to maintain a stable body temperature. Conversely, in warm environments, sweat glands activate, releasing moisture that evaporates and cools the body. Next is the maintenance of blood sugar concentration. Blood glucose control is another outstanding illustration of homeostasis. Blood sugar levels rise after a meal, but the pancreas secretes insulin, which causes cells to take up extra glucose and keeps blood sugar levels in check, which is necessary for cellular energy. As we conclude our summary of homeostasis, we realize its paramount importance in preserving a stable internal environment within living organisms. Whether it's temperature, blood sugar, or water levels, the body's ability to maintain equilibrium is nothing short of remarkable. Understanding homeostasis not only deepens our appreciation for the complexities of life, but also emphasizes the delicate balance that sustains living systems. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of homeostasis. If you found this summary insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing explorations into the marvels of biology. Until next time, keep discovering the wonders of the living world. This is the Curious Cosmos signing off.